Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Font and Display Size. Now you can tap on one of those font styles and apply the best one right away by tapping on Apply button at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to, you can always go back to the same settings. But this time, instead of tapping on one of those styles, click on More on the right. Then you need to decide which font style is fitting for your REALME. Click on it and tap on Apply over here. So when I go back, I can see that it was successfully applied. To go back to your default one, access the same settings once again. Tap on Roboto on the left and tap on Apply button one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!